What's up, YouTube? You're checking out the frequent flyer, and I'm out here with the MJX X600 and some high wind. So you guys knew you had to know that I was going to bring this out here and test it in some high wind. Sheesh, it's cool out here. Button up my jacket. Yeah, X600 in the Devo. I actually turned the rates down to 80% because I don't want it to do any flipping on me. It's going to flip. Last I was out, when I do extremely hard turns, sometimes it was flipping on me, so I turned it down to 80. Check it out though. The pitch is still crazy, even on 80. But I figured this was going to be a tough one to fly in all this wind. It's so flat. You can see it getting tossed around too. But this thing is powerful, man. Man, this thing is heavy. Strong wind now. Hope I don't end up regretting this. This is one of my favorite flyers now. Bring it down low a little so you guys can see it. That's against the wind there. Wind is actually going every which way out here. So, man, did you see that dip there? Its flat body is actually affected by the wind a lot. I know you guys can see the turbulence in it now. Wow. Yeah, this one isn't a nice one to fly in the wind. Sheesh. This is extreme wind, but I wouldn't recommend trying to fly this thing in high wind without the Devo, because it definitely wouldn't have enough pitch to fight this wind if I didn't have the Devo. The high pitch angle is actually what allows it to fight the wind like this. Man, it's fighting too. It's struggling to go through this wind. Well, not struggling, but you can see it moving up and down a lot. speed run here. Sheesh. I had to let off a little though because it was going down. And bring it back again. That's the 80% funnel there. It gets so far away from you so quick. Funnels the other way. If I can, let me see. Quite dangerous around all these trees over here. Danger of getting stuck in the tree, of course. Flight time on this thing is ridiculous. Even in high performance like this. Ooh, almost hit that pole there. I don't think I'm gonna fly it into LVC this time. Oh, we're actually at LVC finally. Let's see if we can make it back to our spot. Which I doubt, unless I fly it ahead. Look, don't look like we're gonna make it. Let me catch it. So that's it, the MJX X600 with deviation and high wind. Thanks for watching.